Welcome to the Commissioner's Corner. I'm Fort Bend County Commissioner Grady Prestage. Over the last few years, we've heard a lot about the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, and it's caused a great debate in this country about health care. But one thing we are all certain of, that a healthy community is a more productive community. When the citizens are healthy, they're more vibrant, and they make for a much better community. Fort Bend County, like all counties in Texas, has a minor role in health care, and that is to provide care for indigent. Either through the county, through some department, or through a hospital district, counties provide health care to the poorest of the poor. But that doesn't cover a lot of people who lack decent, affordable health care. There's a big gap full of people who are the working poor, who don't have insurance, who don't have access to the county system because they make too much money. It's a real awkward situation. There are organizations in place around this country that help fill that gap. They're called Federally Qualified Health Centers, or FQHCs. FQHCs are organizations, typically not-for-profit organizations, that receive funding and grants under Section 330 of the Public Health Services Act. This act provides that they get these funding if they do certain things. They must be in underserved areas. They must provide a sliding scale where people can pay based on their ability to pay. And they have to provide comprehensive services, everything from dental to pediatrics to women's services to full family services, pharmacy services, and those type of things that are basic to a healthy community. We're fortunate to have a very good FQHC in Fort Bend County, Access Health, formerly known as the Fort Bend Family Health Center. For many, many decades, people thought that the Fort Bend Family Health Center was part of Fort Bend County, but it's not. It's a separate, standalone, nonprofit organization that partnered with us for many, many years to provide care for our indigent patients, for our indigent clients. We've developed a nice alliance with Access Health over the last few years and have actually built a building that houses an office and a clinic in Missouri City. So what I want to do today is to make some awareness through this medium of this service, because it's underutilized right now. We've got the capacity to provide a lot of services to people who don't have them. So if you hear this and see this transmission here, I'd like you to be an advocate for us and help promote the word that Access Health has a wonderful facility in Fort Bend County at 307 Texas Parkway at the Missouri City Annex that provides great health care at sliding scale prices for anybody who shows up. And they'll even take you if you have insurance or the ability to pay yourself. That's it for the Commissioner's Corner. See you next time.